Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through how to create account on Deepseek AI. How to create an account on Deepseek AI. If you are new to the channel, can you subscribe to my channel? Watch the video to end so that you not mix any information or any steps. Deepseek is an AI coding free AI coding tool or AI coding app. So if you're new to the channel, can you subscribe to my channel? Let's start. If you don't have, you go to Play Store, you type this Deepseek AI. It will come and you install, and you finish, you open, you click agree. It's loading. So our motive is to create an account. Here you have two options. You have sign up here. If you have already signed up everything, just click login, type your email and password and login. If you don't have account, click sign up. Sign up here, you type your email, password, confirm password, code will send, you agree. But if you like, you can use your Gmail account to log in. So you prefer what you want. So for me, I'll prefer choosing Google. Before you continue, make sure you take this one. See, I confirm it will be like this, and you take and you sign in with Google. So you click sign it to Google. So I'll click sign it to Google, agree. You select an email you used. So let me select this one. Just sign in, agree and share. Good, it is logging in. Just logging in. This one is an AI coding agent tool. You can use it for your codings. You can use it to answer questions, to solve problems. So this is how to solve, or this is how to log in or to create an account on Deepseek. If you're new to the channel, can you subscribe to my channel? Bye bye.